Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a Holman drop-down ladder rack kit. Let's get into it. All right, this part number is 4A99H. It's going to be nearly identical to the 4099H. This is used with high roof vans. A lot of times you have to purchase it with a mounting kit. For us, we're putting it on the High Roof ProMaster behind me, so we do have a separate mounting kit that we're using. Now this is a 2-box kit, so I'm gonna start with 1 box and move on to the 2nd box just so we have enough room for everything. So the difference between the 4A99H and the 4099H is one is aluminum and one is steel. So the aluminum one, you do get some weight savings as well as all of the benefits of the aluminum material in regards to corrosion resistance and, you know, keep it relatively rust-free and all of that as well. I'm here in Michigan, so I'm always going with the aluminum stuff because we put so much salt on our roads. So this is box 1. Let's see, are these stapled into? Nope. All right, this is box 1. It has on this label here, it says 4A99H-1, so it's a 2-box kit. All right, so I've got some nice little dunnage cubes in here to keep everything from jostling around as much as possible. Same thing right here. Right on top, we do have our Holman warranty card. This does have a 3-year warranty from the factory. They do have a policy though that you must have purchased from an authorized reseller like upfitsupply.com, so make sure that you're taking that into account when you're purchasing some Holman products. It looks like we do have some little parts and pieces right here. I believe there are some components in this kit that are still steel, like this little bar right here is definitely steel. This little mechanism right here is also steel, I believe. This is the part where it kind of sits off the back side of the van and you stick your little pole in here and this is what drops it down. We do have a couple of components right here. Have another little bar right here. Here we have the bar itself, the handlebar itself, that you're gonna use to reach up. You know, because the ladder rack is gonna be on top of a high roof van. Take this, you slip it up there, then you're gonna rotate it and drop down that ladder rack there on the side. Looks like we do have another little hole right here for something. And I don't know exactly where every little piece that we're opening goes. Pretty sure this one is aluminum though, based on weight. And then we do have one of the crossbows that has the mechanism installed on it. So let's take a closer look at this. Now this piece definitely is aluminum. Just get it out of the bag here. So the 4A99H or the 4099H is basically you only get one drop-down mechanism with it. It's going to be the curb side or the passenger side of the van. And so this is going to be almost like a crossbar that goes from one side of the vehicle to the other. This is going to be the passenger side or the curb side. This is going to be the driver's side. Driver's side is going to be open like this. Passenger side is going to have the actual drop-down mechanism on it. So you can see as I lift this how it works a little bit. Slides off down the side of the van. All that out of camera view for you there, but essentially how it works. The thing with these high roof vans is they're really difficult to get a ladder up there unless you have a ladder to get your ladder up there. So this is a nice little component to make it super easy to load your ladders on top of the roof. Again, yeah, this is just the curb side or the passenger side component. You can add an additional mechanism so you have one on each side, or you can just leave that open And if you want to put a conduit carrier or something on the other side, you can do that as well. So this is one of those crossbars. I'm actually going to put this back down in the box so we can load up our second box. Okay, again, they put a warranty card in this box too. This has your actual installation guide. It's got your parts list on it and everything like that and how to install it on the vehicle. Warranty card. Got some more dunnage blocks in here. More bracketry and components. I'm not going to take every single one of them out of their bags. Looks like we got a big hardware box. We'll get into that in a minute. And then we have our second crossbow here in the bag. I won't take this out. It's basically the same as that other one. You can see there's kind of this rounded portion right here, and I believe there's a rounded bar that connects these two together so that when you rotate one of them, the other one rotates along with it. So this piece is an aluminum. There are some steel components, I think mainly just the bar that's used for rotating it. So this is the second box right here. Let's open up this hardware box so we can get an idea of what's going on in there. All right, so we've got a bag of, looks like galvanized hardware in here, bolts, nuts, washers. There is a little box of something in here as well. So this might be sealant or glue or something like that. Industrial strength adhesive. So you do need to use some glue at some point in here. I think it might be a sealant that you actually use on, you know, one of the bars to just keep moisture from getting inside, prevent that rust and corrosion and things like that. You also have some little clips of some sort in here as well. Some of your basic hardware in there. We do have, these are the little stoppers that hold the ladder in place. They're like rubber dipped, looks like. And these are also, I think, little ladder stopper holders as well. These are definitely aluminum, also rubber dipped, that hold the ladder in place. And that's all we got here in our hardware kit. Now, a lot of components here. We're actually gonna have a video of installing this on our High Roof ProMaster. It's gonna be a similar installation for all your other high roof or your mid-roof transit vans. So you just wanna make sure that you get the right mounting kit for that van when you're using this on the van. This is for the high roof. The 4099H is specifically for high roof vans. There is a different mechanism and different kit for those lower roof vans, those standard roof vans as well. So you can still have that drop down feature, but it's just gonna be a little bit different because it doesn't need to drop down that ladder quite as far. So if you're looking for this ladder rack kit or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan and have a good one.